Hey everyone! Welcome to Trading 101. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of trading, where opportunities to grow your wealth are just a few clicks away. If you've ever wondered what trading is and how you can start making profits, then this video is for you. So what is trading? Let's break it down. Trading is the act of buying and selling assets like stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies. The main goal? To make a profit. Sounds exciting, right? But there's more to it than just buying and selling. Let's break it down in simple terms. Trading involves understanding market trends, analyzing data, and making informed decisions. It's a skill that can be learned and honed over time. Imagine you buy a stock for $10. This is your initial investment, and you hope that the value of this stock will increase over time. If the price goes up to $15, you can sell it and make a $5 profit. This is a simple example of how trading can generate income. But if the price drops to $8 and you sell, you take a $2 loss. This highlights the risk involved in trading. It's not always a win-win situation. The key is to buy low and sell high. This simple principle is the foundation of successful trading. But how do you know when to buy and when to sell? Trading happens on various platforms called exchanges. These exchanges facilitate the buying and selling of assets, making it easier for traders to execute their strategies. Think of these platforms like marketplaces. Just like you would buy and sell goods in a market, you buy and sell financial assets on these exchanges. You place an order to buy or sell an asset, and the platform matches you with someone else who wants to trade. It's that simple. But there's a lot more happening behind the scenes. But what influences the price changes? This is where it gets interesting. Prices are influenced by a variety of factors. Prices can change because of supply and demand, company news, economic data, and even market sentiment. Understanding these factors is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Keeping an eye on these factors can help you make better trading decisions. It's all about staying informed and being able to react quickly to market changes. Now here's the exciting part: anyone can start trading. You don't need a degree in finance or a background in economics. With just an internet connection and a little bit of capital, you can begin your trading journey. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before. There are plenty of resources out there to help you learn, like online courses, books, and even demo accounts to practice with real-time data. These tools can help you build your skills and confidence. Remember, trading does come with risks. It's important to be aware of these risks and to manage them effectively. It's important to start small, do your research, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. This way, you can minimize your risks while you learn the ropes. But with determination and the right knowledge, you can become a successful trader. It's all about persistence and continuous learning. So if you're ready to dive in and start trading, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let's embark on this trading journey together. There's so much to learn and explore, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today.